Here, YouTube friends, you can see here we have these sweet potato slips, and these are the product of the sweet potato skin that we had last 5 months ago in the kitchen, and my wife threw all the sweet potato skin right here, and then over time we just some of the sweet potato skin produce some slips, and these are the sweet potato slips. In 5 months time I was able to get many slips as well that I replanted with the other pots. So this kind of surprise to my wife and even me and to all of you out there what we can find here in the box. I think nothing. So I want my wife to pick this up, and we will see what is under there. Yes, you just pick it up. Yeah, like that. And there. And
Wow! Oh my goodness.
see that one, friends?
Big.
YouTube friends, see that one?
Oh, yeah, I saw.
That sweet potato slips develop some
Leaves.
good sizes of tubers underneath. Bigger. And
It's amazing.
yeah, exactly.
It's cool.
And see that one? It's just one
Get
sweet
it.
potato. I want you to.
Oh, I thought it's.
Yeah.
Wow!
Show to them. Here, la, like that. Oh la la. And we have other one here.
Oh, wow. You check it already? This. Oh, good.
Be careful.
Oh!
Here. I want you to have that surprise.
Wow! Look at this. It's so nice.
So we have good snacks today when Mama arrives in the afternoon. So I think that's all. And okay. Lower. So that's a surprise, YouTube friends. This morning, even myself yesterday, as I found it yesterday, I said to myself, aha, this can be like a surprise to my wife. And it's a surprise to my wife. We have this one, good snacks of sweet potato. And that's the blessing of having a garden, YouTube friends. And in gardening, sometimes results are really unexpected. Like this one, we never thought to have this tubers beneath these boxes because they're not planted. Or that was sweet potato skin, and then that sweet potato skin developed slips and then provided us good sizes of tubers. So thank you, and for more, please stay with us and kindly join in our journey to organic gardening, and there will be more. So stay tuned. And if you're a comeback subscribers, Please continue joining with us into this journey. And you're always the reason why this channel exists. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to see you once again in the next time. See ya.